YouTubers, and welcome again to Silly Sid 123. Well, it's the end of Christmas 2022. I hope you've all had a lovely time and a great Christmas. So today we are going to be doing a sofa demo with my numatic Henry Quick. And as you can see, I'm still in my PJs and in my dressing gown because I'm just having a chilled out day today, and I thought, do you know what, I'm not going to get dressed today, I'm not going out, so sod it. So we have taken the long extension off and just put the head straight onto the machine. It's got a new bag, we've fully charged him, so he's raring to go. Here we go. Well, there we go, my YouTubers. Thanks for watching. Hope you've enjoyed this video. So, obviously, being a pneumatic, I knew he wouldn't struggle. I knew he would do a fantastic job, and he certainly has done. Not ideal for the elderly or very weak people, as just one-handed was quite difficult, and he is quite heavy, and I did have to adapt to putting my hand on the head to make sure that I could get all the crevices. Not really the proper tool for upholstery, this one, but I thought, you know, I thought I'd use it because it's got a turbine brush on it. It could do a better job of getting rid of the dirt. Definitely done a very, very good job. Sounds brilliant, and yes, absolutely fantastic machine. Just glad that I bought him, really. It's an absolute credit to my collection. So there we go, my YouTubers. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and enjoy my videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon.